What's good? It's your brother PromoatBlack. I know living in a system can be real whack, so I'm gonna give you the tax so you know how to react. This is Homestead with PromoatBlack. Today, I wanted to give you guys an update on the garden. Since we aligned some protection for everything with the hardware cloth, the metal racks, we've gotten significantly more growth on our plants. So this is the beginnings of an elderberry tree. Leaves are looking good. It's been undisturbed. And this is the beginning of a raspberry tree. Well, raspberry bush. I'm sorry, I misspoke. A raspberry bush. But it's getting there, it's growing. We were a little worried about it because it was kind of stuck under this dirt, but it's sprouted past it. It's doing looking good. And so these are sweet potatoes. Some were store bought and we just repurposed them. We put them in water, let them root out, let them vine out. Then we cut the vines and place those in the ground. That's how you're supposed to grow your sweet potatoes. A little bit different than regular potatoes, but they're growing and they're looking a lot better than the last time I showed you guys. Last time I showed you guys, they were looking real hurt. But as I said in my last short, them damn prairie dogs are the reason why. Come to find out, these bad boys are growing pretty good when they're undisturbed. Oh yeah, look at that one. It's got the green leaves. It's got purple leaves. Isn't that unique? But yeah, these are sweet potatoes vining out. My wife tells me they're supposed to vine out into the dirt. They're gonna like fall over and vine out. But man, they are looking amazing since they've been fortified with that hardware cloth and nothing's getting in here in the middle of the night. Things are looking good. Things are looking great. This is another area that seems to have really thrived now that it's undisturbed. This is our asparagus bed. My wife just put a bunch of asparagus in this bad boy because they're supposed to grow, green out, drop seeds, and then they come back every year. These are perennials. So she's going to be able to plant other things in here as well, like chives and onions. But man, these asparagus plants are growing. Look at that. Looks like a little tree. I got to ask her what that is, but we have some growth, some more growth. Oh, yeah. So we get the water. We are in a hot desert. I have access to a well. So I'm able to load up on water. And, in the summertime, it is warm enough out here. Like I told you guys, I just got to hop to it. But that next layer that we underestimated, but no longer, is the fact that all of our plants need protection from the wildlife. Seems to have made a major difference. Man, look at this thing sitting sideways. Asparagus plant leaning like a mug. That's good though. That's good growth. When it seeds out, they won't have far to drop. Sitting sideways, yeah. And last but not least, potatoes, folks. And these potatoes like this environment out here. So I mean, in this garden bag, in this environment, they're loving the weather. They're getting some sun. It's a little earlier in the day as I film this video. But yeah, that's the growth in my garden, guys. And actually, last but not least, let's do these watermelons, man. We're reclaiming watermelons. My wife showed me this show on Discovery Plus that basically talked about all the things that Black people used to be allowed to grow and harvest and where certain things came from, as far as stereotypes that unfortunately have been flipped negatively. But our people actually were major producers of watermelon in the country. We were allowed right after, slavery ended, Reconstruction. We were allowed to grow watermelons and chickens. That was what we were allowed to raise. And we got really proficient at it. So over here, we're reclaiming watermelons. And I'm happy with how they're growing. They're looking real good over there. Should be some more to pop up, but just to get started, looking good. Another sunflower trying to grow back. So like I previously said, man, happy that we fortified everything. It's looking good.